Pluck a guitar string and hold a finger close to it. You feel it buzzing, a blur of motion, too fast to really see. Drop a pebble into a still pond, and rings spread outward across the water. The same simple idea sits behind both, and it reaches all the way out to light itself. Start with what your eyes can almost follow, something moving back and forth. The string is oscillating, swinging from one side to the other and back, over and over, around its resting place. That steady to and fro is an oscillation. Now watch the pond. A little cork floating on the surface bobs up and down as the ripples pass, but it never travels across to the far side. It stays right where it is. That's the secret of a wave. The water isn't rushing outward. Each patch just jiggles in place and nudges its neighbor. What travels is the disturbance, the shape, handed along from one patch to the next. Look closer, and every wave carries a few numbers you can actually measure. Picture the ripples frozen for a moment. The distance from one crest to the next is the wavelength, how long each ripple is, and the frequency is how many crests pass a point each second. Quick little waves are high frequency, long lazy swells are low. Multiply those two together and you get how fast the wave moves. Speed equals frequency times wavelength, v equals f lambda. Short waves arriving often, or long waves arriving rarely, can travel at exactly the same speed. Height matters too. A taller wave, bigger amplitude, carries more energy. That's why a loud sound and a soft one can share the very same pitch, but never the same punch. Push a little further, and something surprising happens when two waves meet. Waves don't crash and bounce off each other. They pass straight through and simply add up. Crest on crest builds a bigger crest. Crest on trough can cancel to nothing. That adding up is superposition, and it's why you get bright and dark bands, loud spots and silent ones, interference, and nudge a system at just the right frequency, and the waves reinforce into resonance, the swelling hum that can shatter a glass or sing in an organ pipe. Through all of it, notice what actually moves. On the water, the surface bobs up and down, across the wave's path. In sound, the air squeezes and stretches along it. Sideways or lengthwise, the pattern travels while the medium stays home. What crosses the room is energy. A sound, a flash of light, an earthquake. Each one is energy traveling as a wave, with no matter making the trip. So from a buzzing string and a ring on a pond to light crossing the whole universe, it's one idea, a disturbance that travels while the stuff it moves through stays behind, carrying energy, not matter, wherever it goes.